The Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or Coppa, is a federal statute that is intended to protect children's information. The most complicated aspect of Coppa is not complying with it. The compliance obligations are relatively straightforward. Rather, the difficulty businesses often face is appreciating that Coppa applies to them. As a general matter, Coppa applies to the operators of websites or online services that directly or indirectly collect personal information from children under the age of 13. The difficulty here is that these terms are broadly defined and the definitions aren't consistent with our basic understanding of these terms. As an example, personal information can include an audio file containing a child's voice or a persistent identifier such as an IP address. Collection is also broadly defined and can include simply enabling a child to make personal information publicly available, such as through a blog area. Collection can also include the passive tracking of a child online. Ultimately, there's a strong incentive for compliance in this area. The fines imposed for Coppa violations have been quite high. There's also a substantial public relations downside to misusing children's information. And the whole purpose of this law is to protect a vulnerable segment of our society. You really want to consult with a lawyer who's experienced in this area and get it right. I'm happy to respond to any questions about Coppa. Please feel free to give me a call or send me an email.